have bought a house. So I have to establish a new workshop. Because I don't have a workshop right now to do wood turning, I am instead working with whatever I can get my hands on. So I tried making a comb out of horn. Now I have a lot of horn lying around because well, I do knife work as well. And horn makes a really nice bolster. So I wanted to try and bend horn and I saw a video some time ago that you can bend it by heating. So I thought, well, I have a heat gun that I use when I work with metal. Might as well try it with the horn. I burned the horn a little, but it's fine. It's fine. It can buff out. You just need a lot of sanding and oil for that. So I still haven't fixed my workshop to the table or anything like that, and this isn't even the table I'm going to be using. So we're going a little on rough. I also work in my office inside the house because the garage that I'm gonna be using is not insulated, so it can get really cold and it can get really strange temperatures inside. When you work with horn, it is apparently I found out working with it a lot of buffing, so a lot of time with sandpaper of different grits. So that's what you're gonna be seeing a little. You go with the sandpaper, you change to another grit, then you work around it. So I wanted to make a little beard comb because my beard has actually gotten quite large during the move, and I'm thinking of sticking with it. Use I used to use uh, a brush, a beard brush before, but that is best for a shorter beard. Now I have a larger one, so now I'll make a comb instead. This one I found this little vise I found for next to nothing on a little sale. So I bought it, of course, and now I just have to fix it at a different time. Horn is amazing that it's just so easy to saw in, and it's hard but not brittle, which is amazing. So the structure is just so nice to saw in. It's actually really gentle. Uh, Later I did make an error, so it's a good thing it's just for myself and not for selling. Otherwise that would have been horrible. So basically it's just with everything else, you just get the rough shape and then you use your tools to get the correct shape. And in this case, it's just files and sandpaper. Also enjoy my messy office. We've been prioritizing getting inside the house most of all. The workshop I've planned and the things that I've gotten for my workshop is actually I've gotten some extra mechanical tools that I want to showcase later. But right now I need to get the walls ready. And I'll put up a short video showing off my new garage workshop soon when I have gotten the wood, because wood prices right now are quite insane, at least in Denmark. So when I've gotten the wood and I've installed it, then I'll showcase the video. Other than that, enjoy the rest of the shaping, and hopefully you'll make your own comb items soon. I plan to make plenty more comb items. I don't know if I'll be showing them here on YouTube, but I at least plan to be making a lot more of them because they're extremely fun to make. And this little brush, or comb rather, sorry, took me 2 hours, 1.5 hours, 2 hours to make, and some of that is setting up the camera and moving the camera and so on. So honestly, it's easy to work with and makes for a nice fast project. So enjoy the rest of the video, and I'll see you when I have an update on my workshop. Have an amazing day.